Samsung's next flagship, the Galaxy S26 Edge, is back in the spotlight thanks to a fresh batch of leak renders. The images suggest Samsung is preparing one of its biggest design changes in years. Here's your first look at the Samsung Galaxy S26 dummies, and it looks like Samsung is going with a design very similar to the iPhone 17 Pro. The S26 Edge keeps things clean with slim, uniform bezels and a centered punch-hole selfie camera. The thickness of the S26 Edge is 5.5 mm. Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge come in 3 colors. The phone will feature a 6.7-inch display. It will be an AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. The Galaxy S26 Edge will power by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. It will get up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. The Galaxy S26 Edge is also expected to arrive with an upgraded 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Samsung has reportedly found a way to increase battery capacity over the current Edge, going from 3,900 mAh to 4,200 mAh. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.